Hello friends, here in this video we will see the problem on properties of fluid. Let us take the question number 1 we have here. Calculate specific weight, density and specific gravity of 1 liter of a liquid which weighs 7 Newton. Now this is the question we have. I'll write the data for this. So given data. Here we have to calculate specific weight, that is the first question. Specific weight is nothing but weight density denoted by small w. Next, density is mass density denoted by rho. Then the third one is specific gravity denoted by small s of 1 liter. This 1 liter is the volume of the liquid. So here we have V is equal to 1 liter, and see 1 liter is nothing, it is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. How this relation came? Because since 1 meter cube can contain 1000 liters of water, so therefore 1 liter is equal to, it will be 1 divided by 1000, so 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. So here is the conversion part. Now this is the question we have in front of us, where volume is given and they have even given the volume of a liquid which weighs 7 Newton. So capital W, weight of the liquid, is 7 Newton. Now let us try to get the solution for this problem. Since the first question is specific weight or weight density, I'll start from here. Since specific weight or weight density is given by, it is given by W is equal to weight upon volume. This is the relation. Weight density is the ratio of weight upon volume. Now I'll put the values here. So therefore specific weight will be equal to, weight of the liquid is given as 7, volume is 10 raised to minus 3. So therefore specific weight comes out to be 7000, unit is Newton per meter cube. This is the first answer. Next, now the second part, we have to calculate mass density. So now I'll say that since mass density, we know the relation mass density, it is given by, mass density is rho, and that is equal to the specific weight or weight density divided by G. So here is the relation between mass density and weight density. This relation I am utilizing, that mass density is weight density divided by G. Weight density we have got, it is 7000 divided by 9.81. So finally density answer that comes out to be 713.5 kg per meter cube, because it is mass per unit volume. So this is my second answer. And now the last part in this question is specific gravity. So I'll say that since specific gravity of liquid S is equal to weight density of liquid upon weight density of standard liquid, that is water. So it is divided by weight density of water. So therefore specific gravity is equal to the weight density of liquid. We have got in answer 1, that is 7000, divided by weight density of water, that is 1000. So here we are right, okay, we are writing weight density. Weight density of water is, it is given by 9810. This is the mass density of water, and the weight density is, it is 9810. So finally, how I got this? Because 1000 is the mass density, and in that if I multiply with g, that is 9.81, that gives me an answer of 9810. So therefore if I divide numerator by denominator, my answer of S, it comes out to be 0.7135. So this much is the specific gravity of the given liquid, and since this value is less than 1, it means the specific gravity, the liquid we have here, it is lighter than water, because the specific gravity is less than 1. If the specific gravity is equal to 1, then it is water. If the specific gravity is more than 1, then the given liquid is heavier than water. So this was a simple problem related to properties of fluid.